natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in positive MACD. We're off of overbought levels with the RSI. With the 4 hour chart, we are back into positive MACD territory. We did bounce right off the 200 moving average, this green line, currently at a price of $6.97. With the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG. My trade position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $25, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $26.78. My stop loss is at $24.52. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $27.57, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $25.51. My stop loss is at $28.33. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day, or wicket trading, natural gas has a 40% chance to climb between 0 to 5%. To the downside, it has a 40% chance to fall between 0 to negative 5%, and a 20% chance to fall between negative 5 to negative 10%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.